how to set your brand colors in Potion. Go in your Potion account, go on the theme page, scroll down just a little bit to see the brand color, text color, and header color options, where you can set these values that match your brand. So I'm gonna click on this circle to select a color. I can simply eyeball it, or if I know the values of my color hex values and RGB values, I can simply type those in here for the RGB values, and for hex values I can just simply type it in here. So I just set my brand color. Let's change our text color to something reddish, and the header color to something orangey or like pinkish red. Now that I've set these values, I'm gonna see how it looks like. So I'm gonna scroll down, click on a preview theme button. It'll open a new tab where you can see your theme changes. So as you can see, the play button on your video player and all the other buttons have the brand color value that you just added along with the cursor. The text color is the reddish color that we set, and the header color, which is the navigation, top navigation bar, will have your the pinkish red color that we set. So what do we do if we want to reset the values or change the values later on? To reset, simply click on these reset buttons. It'll snap back to the default values of Potion, and from there you can just simply change the color if you want. If you simply want to just change it, you can type in or drop in the hex value of the color in the text box, and let's see how the reset values look like. So as you can see, all the colors are back to their default values.